I've rarely met anyone who is a self-declared social expert. Most people feel varying levels of discomfort and self-consciousness when it comes to approaching social situations, especially with new people. Coming across as cool, calm, and collected in social situations is really about just having lots of practice in a variety of situations. So then we can easily say to ourselves, okay, I've done this before, I can do this again. And then we build our tolerance and comfort with discomfort. But experiencing a lockdown, quarantine, and a global pandemic really removed our ability to practice these skills and build our comfort with discomfort. But now we're back and we're socializing again, and it's pretty awkward and uncomfortable for many of us. So, where do we start? What do we do? Number 1, increase your opportunities to practice socializing. What do you enjoy doing in the past? Are there any hobbies, clubs, things that you can just nerd out on that others might be interested in too? Are there new things you've always wanted to try? Are there spaces here at SCU that already exist to explore your interests? And if not, are there virtual communities or spaces to explore your interests? Number 2, connections can be made even if you have nothing in common. People are attracted to interacting with others who come across as passionate and enthusiastic, even if the passion isn't shared. Take turns sharing topics you're interested in, and then showing interest in what the other person is interested in. Relationships are more than just common interests. Personality also matters. So think about people currently in your life who you get along with well. What do you like about their personality, their values? What do they like about yours? Practice noticing these traits in other people and then showing your traits to others, even when it's a new person or a smaller interaction. Number 3, how to initiate and take the first steps to make plans, join something, etc. No one wants to make the first move, even in platonic relationships. I don't know how many times I hear that people are just waiting for the other person to suggest hanging out or to offer to exchange contact information. No one wants to initiate because they're afraid the offer will be misinterpreted as too forward, or they will fear being rejected, the other person saying no, or saying yes even though they don't want to. This is a valid fear that we all have. However, you won't know unless you try to initiate an interaction. And nothing will change in your social life unless you try something new. Number 4, keep reminding yourself that we all have had at least one and probably many successful social interactions. You have had friends before, and so if you've done this before, you can do this again. Number 5, if you are someone who finds themselves reviewing the events of the day and playing them back in your head right before bed, in the shower, trying to make sure, did you socialize correctly? What did that other person think about what I said? Well, try highlighting and acknowledging to yourself each of your successful interactions, no matter how small. Making the habit of highlighting the things you do well, not just the things you didn't do well, can increase your confidence and feelings of self-efficacy in social situations. And then if you're looking for a setting to practice these skills and meet others who may be experiencing similar challenges, you can always join our group here at the Counseling Center called Understanding Self and Others. You can call the Cowell Center for more information to sign up. You're not going to be a social expert overnight. It takes time. It takes practice, but everyone is looking to make new connections.